Lenny, are you having trouble walking in your boots? Let's see your boots. Come here, walk to mommy.
You're getting the hang of it.
You okay now? You like your boots? You like them? You like your boots? You want to sit down with your boots? Sit down with your boots?
What are you doing?
You want to take your boots off? Okay. You hold your boots? Hmm? You want me to put your boots on? Okay. You really need socks on. That's not right, is it? Do you need help? Okay, okay.